Manoranjan Bharati. My first Chhat Puja in Bihar. What a fascinating, colorful exercise it was since the last 2 days for me to see. Plus, most importantly, a 24-hour fast for women and then a 36-hour fast without any water. I asked somebody at the Chhat Puja if we can play those pictures at the ghat that we had gone to. A lady, I asked her, don't you feel tired that you've walked through so much and you've gone it? She said, no, faith gives me the power. Huh?
बहुत अच्छे से आपने छठ को देखा है, आपने धोती पहनी, आपने वो टोकरा सिर पे लिया जो कि मर्द लेके आते हैं, वो काम केवल मर्दों का होता है जनरली, लेकिन इस बार मैंने देखा कि बहुत सारे मेल भी जो थे वो भी छठ कर रहे थे, वो बड़ा मुझे अच्छा लगा देख करके.
Manoranjan Bharati says he likes the fact that more men are involved in it, and most importantly, Baba, when I spoke to some of the young Gen Z people, and we even spoke to one of the boys carrying, the tokri on his head. The fact that the culture remains strong in most parts, in parts which are extremely westernized, some would argue, the culture seems to be slowly going off, but here it's quite strong.
मुझे लगता है कि एक बिहारी जो बाहर रहता है वो बहुत प्राउड फील करता है, और दशहरा मैंने दुर्गा पूजा और दिवाली को भी छुट्टी नहीं लेता है, 7 दिन की छुट्टी छठ के लिए लेकर के आता है बाहर.
It's a festival, it's a fast to pray to the sun god, both the sunrise and the sunset. They start off day before, they have dal, loki, prasad, and then they have for 24 hours they go on a fast, and then the women especially, then from last night 24 hours, 36 hours till tomorrow morning, not even a drop of water.
एक चीज बोलूंगा, ये इतना बहुत अच्छा मैसेज है कि जीवन में भी सनसेट होता है, घबराना नहीं चाहिए, नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग सनराइज.
When there is a sunset in your life, don't worry, there will be a sunrise tomorrow morning. That's the message from Baba on Chhat. Let's just see how I was aided to tie the dhoti in the Bihari Chhat Puja traditional way earlier this morning, as these people here prepared me, who's from Bangalore, for the Chhat Puja. Just watch this. So I have my South Indian veshti, panche as we call it in the South, in Kannada and Tamil. And this is Mishra ji here, who's going to help me tie it like the way they tie it in Bihar. They have a yellow dhoti which they wear for Chhat Puja, and he's going to help me tie it. Mishra ji, bataiye kaise? How do you wear it?
जितना भी पूजा पाठ होता है,
Everything in dhoti.
हाँ.
To be on the safer side, I'm wearing my jeans. ये गमछा भी पहनते हैं धोती के साथ ऐसा.
ये हुआ पारंपरिक ड्रेस.
Now I am typically ready for my Chhat Puja. I'm going to now take my friend Manoranjan Bharati, Baba, to around this ghat. So Baba will explain for us what's happening right here. ये सब bedsheets क्या है? People have reserved their spot.
Yes, हाँ.
People have
ये
reserved.
रिजर्व किया गया है, यहाँ बैठने के लिए वो अपनी व्यवस्था किए हैं कि जो अपने परिवार के संग आएंगे वो यहाँ पर.
इसके लिए पैसा वैसा देते हैं?
पैसा नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, ऐसा फ्री होता है.
देखिए ऐसा होता है ना, एक बड़ी टोकरी होती है और टोकरी के अंदर सूप होता है और जिसमें कि 5 फल होते हैं, उसके बाद उसमें ठेकुआ होता है.
अरे ठेकुआ, you have to give me ठेकुआ.
We will give you tomorrow, not today.
Not today, no ठेकुआ today. Just to explain what Chhat Puja is, it's basically worshipping the sun. First there is a 24-hour fast where, day before yesterday, they take a dip in the holy water and then they have a meal of loki, dal and chawal, and then they maintain a 24-hour fast, and then last night they have good banana and roti,
yes,
which is the only thing, and from then on there's a 36-hour fast, and most important, not even water.
Yeah.
Mainly kept by women, 36 hours. So today they will come and take a dip in the holy water, go back home, and tomorrow morning is when they will break the fast after the sunrise.
Yeah.
It's worshipping both the sunrise and the sunset.
So today is the sunset and they came with their family. The whole the male family member will put the a tokri on his head. They put there, and the whole family sit there. The lady will go inside the water.
Okay.
They will do the sunset, and everybody will pour milk on the water or on the soup, and then they will go back. They will stay awake a whole night, and early morning, 4 o'clock, they will come back till sunrise.
All right, fantastic. It's a rigorous. It's quite a test of physical stamina. This place will get very, very crowded very shortly, which is why I got Manoranjan Bharati, alias Baba, aka Baba, and Saroj Kumar to come and explain this to me. Thank you, Saroj Kumar. Thank you, Baba. Baba has promised to get me Tekwa tomorrow morning. Tekwa is tomorrow morning.
जरूर मिलेगा.
Zarur milega Tekwa. But I also tried to carry the tokri, and it's not a joke. It's quite heavy. And I spoke to one young man who was carrying the tokri, and he said he's been doing this for 8 years and it doesn't matter. Again, faith carries them through. Listen in. I'm with young Ayush, who's a native of Chapra, who's living here in Patna. Do you do this every year?
Yeah, I do this every year. I'm doing this like for 6-7 years.
Okay. How heavy is it?
It's more than 15 kgs.
Can I try keeping
Yeah,
it
you
in my
can-
hand?
you can.
Yeah, can you hold the mic for me? Wow. Okay, walk. Oh, it's quite heavy. How long have you carried? Hold the mic. How long have you been carrying this?
For 7 years, approximately.
No, for how long is this on your head?
Like about 30 minutes.
Oh, wow. Can I put it back? Ah, right. It's quite heavy, huh?
Yeah, it's literally very heavy.
You need to do a good balancing act
Yeah,
if you're on this, right?
it's really tough.
Yeah, it's really tough. And how many kilometers have you walked with this?
Not more than 800 meters.
Only 800 meters.
Yeah.
You carry it in your vehicle and you come. And now you'll go and offer it to the sun god.
Yeah, it's like 10 meters or 20.
Let's walk.
Yeah.
Come. And you'll have to wade through all this crowd. Be very careful, right? You'll have to wade through all the crowd here, right?
Yeah,
And it's a lot of balancing.
you need to be focused, really focused.
Are you interested in the elections and all that? Do you follow the elections closely?
Not much,
Okay.
but I'm
What do youngsters like you want for Bihar?
employment.
What do youngsters like you want for Bihar? You have to take off your shoes, no? Yeah, let's hold this. I'll help you. Ah, nice. Anyway, thanks very much, Ayush. Happy Chat Puja to you. Let me see if I can carry this for a little while from here to there. Let's hold this for 1 second. Hold the mic. Hold the mic for me. Let's walk. No. Just let's walk. Wow. It's quite tough, huh? It's not easy. You seem relieved now that this...
It's really relieving.
Yeah, I'll give it to you now. Thank you so much, Ayush.